guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Rami here. Just got out the shower and I'm almost done. Then I got my hair done. It's been a few years since I got my hair done and I've been posting. I'm sorry for disturbing. Um, guess what I got? A new 3D pen. Well, it's like in the middle of the night. My mom is here. My mom comes that. At 2 in the morning, I promise I'll see you in the morning. Bye, guys. And then just have some fun stuff. I will show all the things, okay? Bye, guys. I'm about to go to sleep. Have a good day. Like and subscribe if you love your mom, and also comment and share. If you don't comment and share, a big spider will be in your bed.